Hey guys, Chris here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage with special celebrity guest, that's you, Don Keefe from the National Impala Association and the editor, publisher of everybody's favorite newsstand and subscription magazine, Impala News.
Impala News.
Yeah, can you get it on the newsstand or subscription only?
It's subscription only, actually. Although there was, there might be a newsstand or two still carrying it, but normally it's a subscription membership benefit is what we like to call it.
There you go. Well, look right there. Show that up. That's fantastic. Right. Guys, look at that car, then look at this car and see if there's anything that you notice. It's the same car.
It's the car.
Spoiler alert. And Don was so nice to put this Impala, the Impala we're giving away in the Impala Dream Giveaway. He was nice enough to put it not only on the cover,
but in the centerfold.
But in the centerfold.
Miss July.
That's an angel in a centerfold if I ever saw one, huh? Right. Look at that. So Don was in here earlier shooting a video for Impala News. That's on his Facebook page, and PJ asked if Don would just hang around for a few minutes and shoot a video for us.
And I said certainly.
Yeah.
What's your Facebook page group name?
National Impala Association.
That is so clever.
I know. It's all about marketing.
There you go. Don knows everything there is to know about Impalas, including what year the collapsible steering wheel started.
1967.
See, told you he was that smart. And Don, we've got this engine, we've got the hood open, the engine showing off its magnificent big block beauty. Why don't you tell our audience a little bit about it and what makes it so special?
Well, this is a 1966 L72 Code 427 V8. It's a big block Chevy. This is the first full year of production. They came out mid-year 1965 as a 396, and then in 1966 they upped the bore size to 4 1/4 inches, and with a 3.76 inch stroke, you ended up with a 427 inch V8. And the L72 version is the highest performance version up until that point, and it had a four-bolt main block, forged bottom end components, solid lifter cam, rectangular port heads with large 219 and 172 intake and exhaust valve sizes. It also has an aluminum intake manifold, mounting a 715 CFM Holley 4-barrel, and that flows through the exhaust, which are cast iron high-performance exhaust manifolds, practically headers really, and on into a larger capacity 2 1/4 inch exhaust system, dual exhaust of course. So it was an automatic transmissions were not available with this car. It was only this engine. It was only available with a 4-speed. You could get a wide or close ratio 4-speeds. This has the close ratio M21 Muncie 4-speed in it, and it's got a Hurst shifter, and just a wonderful combination. I've actually had a chance to drive this car around 2 or 3 times, and it's a wonderful experience. The car is a bare bones performance machine, and the only options on it that are significant really are, besides the powertrain, is it has no power steering and no power brakes, but it does have a tilt wheel and it does have an AM/FM radio, which is kind of a curious set of circumstances. But it doesn't make the car any heavier, so I think that's what the plan was for that. And it's also easier for larger folks like myself to get in and out of it. So. Just a wonderful car, and you would think that having no power steering, no power brakes, it would drive like a truck, and it really doesn't. It's not bad at all. If you're in a tight parking space situation, you're going to get the Popeye arms after a while, but once underway, the car is fantastic. And the braking system, it's a 4-wheel drum with a single master cylinder, my favorite portion of the car, and but the brakes actually are pretty adequate. I mean, they're certainly not up to 4-wheel disc standards or ABS or anything like that. But you get a lot of pedal feel. You really, you're closer to the heart of the car than you are with a computer-controlled vehicle. And there's no computer on this one for sure. I can assure you that. And just a wonderful car. I love the color combination. I like the way that this car was ordered, because it was ordered in a way where it looked good, it was comfortable, and it hauled the mail. This thing really does move. I've driven it hard a couple times, and it's a tremendous performance car. And this particular one is dynoed at 523 horsepower, so it's a little more than the advertised 425 horsepower, and it makes a lot of noise. It's really cool. It gets terrible gas mileage. It's an awesome car.
There you go. PJ, did you like that haul the mail?
I did. I like that. I saw that. And man, he just rattled off a million things there. What an incredible set of knowledge.
That's why they pay me the medium bucks.
PJ, any questions from our ever engaging Facebook audience?
No, but right off the bat, Ed said hello from Chicago. He just won a '79 Trans Am from Jewel Food Stores.
You won the Trans Am from Jewel Food Store.
Yeah.
Oh, I know that car. I saw the advertisement for that. That's so exciting. But I think there's been a mistake. I think I was the winner of that '79 Trans Am. So Ed, if you need my address, you can ship that Trans Am down to me.
Mike, that's incredible. Mike says 427 Sound of Fury.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. And what a great and incredible vehicle. And we're really down to the last 5-6 weeks to enter to win. So get on over to www.dreamgiveaway.com. Use promo code Facebook Live. You're going to get bonus tickets. Guys, you know how it works. Well, PJ, you know how it works. The day after the sweepstakes ends, how many calls do we get from people who say, can I still enter? When it ends, it ends. You got to get your entries now. Get lots of them. It helps out 9 great charities. Don, you can see all the charities there. I won't ask you to name them all off, but there's a bunch of them over there on our banner. And you're helping out veterans charities. You're helping out children's charities. You've seen a lot of Impalas.
I have seen many, as the president of the National Impala Association, I have seen many, many Impalas. And this one really, to my mind, is as good as it gets. I love this car. And as I was telling Chris in a previous episode, I'm going to miss this car. I'm really going to miss it. It's like become a very treasured friend. And it's neat seeing the thing around. It's even better to drive it. And it's just a cool car. And whoever gets this car is going to be one lucky person. And you're gonna have to invite me over. Is all there is to it, because I love this car.
There you go, PJ. What else do we have?
Mike says support great charities for a chance at a lucky ticket, and it says love the CTSV, which we'll be dealing with tomorrow. Friday.
On Friday, yeah. Well, we have an award ceremony right where you're standing now, Don.
There, yeah.
So you could either hang out there for the next 48 hours and you'll be part of the ceremony, or you can walk off stage and not be part of the ceremony.
I'd rather at least go home and take a shower beforehand.
Excellent, excellent there, Don.
Can we fire it up?
Don, why don't you do it for us? Okay. It's not Fire It Up Friday, but since we have a special celebrity guest in the Dream Giveaway Garage, we're going to ask Don Keefe, president of the National Impala Association, to go ahead and fire that big block Chevy 4-speed up. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Guys, listen to the gurgle of that solid. All right. God love it. God love it.
Smell of carbon monoxide this morning.
Coming out. Don, I'm going to show you my favorite part of when I do a video on the car.
All right.
Hey, you come watch this. Stand over here.
See how graceful you got out
You
of
guys ready? Look at this. Ready for this, Don? Ready? Oh.
like a bank vault.
Let's do it again. Let's do it again. No. You do it now, Don. Oh, yeah. PJ, you want to do it too?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, guys, remember, get your entries to win this super rare 66 Impala factory drag racer.
Yeah.
At www.dreamgiveaway.com. Use promo code Facebook Live. You're going to get bonus tickets. Don Keefe, president of the National Impala Association.
Great to see you. Thanks for inviting me over.
Thanks for being here today. We'll see you guys next time. More great fun, more great action, more great grand prizes, like a super rare 427 big block Impala 4-speed. It only happens here live in the Dream Giveaway Garage. Thumbs up. Way to go.
All right.